things first, you want to get your tools. Grab a 3/8 wrench and a screwdriver. If you don't have that, you can use pliers, or you can pick up a skate tool at your local shop. Probably about 10-15 bucks. It shouldn't run you. But you're gonna want to start undoing the trucks. Use the tool to take the trucks off the deck, like so. Once you do that, bring in your new deck and make sure that you put your bolts through the little holes. Goes without saying. Now, there's a lot of ways you could do this. I like to do it by hand, so typically I'll put the trucks on, make sure that the kingpins are facing inwards and not outwards, meaning that the kingpin faces the center of the board. I like to tighten my bolts and my nuts by hand. Yeah, just tighten them, and then I like to put it on the floor so that the trucks are straightened, and then I can tighten them from the top and the bottom. So that's the way I like to do it. You guys might have another way. Really, all you want to do is make sure that these are tight and straight. That's the best way that I found. Make sure that your wheels are looking good, and that's pretty much it. Like, you got a new board. So, yeah. Anyways, thanks for checking out the video. This is the first How Tuesday. Every Tuesday I'm going to do a tutorial on random stuff. Today was skateboarding. Next week I'm not sure what it's going to be, but stay tuned for more. Also on Thursday for my thrifters and hat collector friends, I'm going to be going live again on Thursday. This will be the 3rd time this year. Every Thursday I'm going to be doing that, and every Tuesday I'm going to be dropping tutorials. So thanks for checking it out. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.